I'm Joey Smith, pitmaster of the Texas Chrome Competition Barbecue Team out of Austin, Texas, and the world champion winner of the Houston Livestock Show and Rodeo.
Just brisket on a bone.
It's a brisket on the bone.
But this is completely different.
We're gonna select meats. We're gonna trim meats. We're gonna pick out all the competition rubs that the championship sauces we're gonna be using for you today.
Show them what you was looking for, that probe tender.
So you wanna get between the bones. And we're sitting around 205, 206, 207. We said we were shooting at 208, but look at the feeling. It's done when it's done. We're about to take this to the next level.
Look at that. Look at the juice in that. That is some good stuff. That is yummy, yummy goodness.
The bones.
Sliding right out. Yep, leave it right there. Go on and slice all of them up.
All of this will enhance your barbecue knowledge and ability to provide award-winning barbecue at your next tailgating event, backyard barbecue, or competition.
Another home run.
I think we've been hitting them out of the park all day.
I think so.
I'm telling you right now.
Start cooking like a world champion today.